What if I told you you can run your own AI model on your computer for free? Yes, Google has done this. So, Google has launched Gemma 4, which is the latest AI model which requires no internet to use. And with limited resources, you can run it on your device locally. Just go to ollama.com. Now I'm going to install Ollama using this command. Just copy. Since I'm using Windows, I'll use this. And I go to PowerShell. I'm going to paste this and it will download Ollama for me. Gemma 4 E2B version. Ollama, Ollama is installed. Now I'm going to quit out of this using the escape button. And since I have to pull this model, I'll copy, paste, but I want E2B version. So I will write colon, no, I will write colon E2B and enter. It should download the E2B version for me. Yes, so this is 7.2 GB and this is also 7.2 GB. Will wait depending on your internet speed. I'm going to save it as dog, and this is a picture of a zebra. And before uploading this image, I will turn off my Wi-Fi, turn to airplane mode, and upload this image of a zebra named dog. And we'll ask this, what is this? Let's see if it works. This animal is a zebra. Okay. Generate code for a to-do list in Python. Okay, it's thinking. Hmm. Providing three different versions. Option 1. Okay. Option 2, object oriented. Okay, I'm going to pick the first one. Online Python compiler. Run. Add task. Add task. Eat. View task. Okay, let's go. Okay, so anyways, this was my experience with Gemma 4, and I think it is really good in terms of being a open source and free AI model that you can get. If you would like to see more videos, please like the video and subscribe. See you later.